mga kaputi, nandito tayo sa my house ko. Katapos na tumae, magtutubrush mo na nga ako. Yan, na. Tasugasin ko yung kamay ko. Fresh na kamay. Ugas-ugas na ganyan. Carefully, baka masugat yung kamay mo. Scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub it. Scrub, scrubs. And wash your face. Then, with the punas, punas. I'm done. I'm going to shower. I need to shampoo. How is this? Kailangan mabubbles. Yung sobrang pong bubbles na ganito. Yan. And scrubbing. Guys, ito na ako si Santa Claus. Wash it na hair. Lagyan mo ng conditioner para malambot. And mix it. Tara! And wash. Water. And use your towel. Tara! Yay! Time for breakfast. Now we will make cheese. No, that's butter. Sugar. Sugar. And egg. Egg for more to egg. And banana. Vanilla. What vanilla? And the flour. Lord, put 1 cup only. Yeah. Okay. And this is my breakfast. So mix it. Mix, 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 mix. And next, spread it as it. Put the designs. Like this, oh, tignan mo. Parang ganyan, oo, diba? Ang ganda. Tapos lagyan mo na sa tray. Yan. Okay. Arrange mo dyan sa tray. Okay. Tara! Yes! And put to added. Oven. Tan tan tan. Tara! So smells so good. Put this time. Like this, oh, and blue design, and white design, and here a rainbow. So pretty the cookies, and did the shoes, and again shoes, and I don't like it because it's I don't like that ribbon. Okay. Tungol naman. I na-X it. Okay. Then I eat it. Okay. Yum, yum, serviceable. Yum, yum, yum. And haircut. Go to salon. Let's go. Dandali fashionista. Yes, go. Open the door. Hello, guys. Okay, yes, the hair wash. Wash the hair. Wash. Wait for the time. Wash. Goodbye, guys. Bye-bye. And that's the shampoo. Shampoo. Put shampoo, sponge for grabs.